with the Reggae Girls, now off on their historic World Cup journey to France, and the Reggae Boys almost at the same time lining up for the CONCACAF Gold Cup. It's a good time to do a little status check on what is happening with the national football program. Might have waited till the end of both tournaments, but why not do an evaluation now and then do another one after the tournaments? Now, first of all, the Jamaica Football Federation don't have no money. The kitty is empty. This long and everlasting argument and debate with the Reggae Girls over their remuneration package. We understand that the Reggae Boys might be acting up soon as well, because their business with the Federation is not yet settled. All of this is stemming from the fact that the Michael Ricketts administration has failed to attract any meaningful sponsorship for the football program outside of the FIFA subventions and the money that the girls will get from qualifying for the World Cup. The JFF is broke. While the corporate world and corporate Jamaica have been scorning them like them have chicken pox and mumps. So while Mr. Ricketts and his executive are jetting off to these various tournaments around the world, things not pretty with the football program. So for the program's sake, we hope and we pray that Jamaica does well in both the World Cup and the CONCACAF Gold Cup, or else them boy nyam with supper. Them boy nyam with supper. Who are them boy? Them boy.